Mr. Vinit Goenka, what can be done?
So, there are policy reforms which have been done, unprecedented policy reforms which have been done.
I'm told 7,000-8,000 of them.
Yeah. And I'll give you one simple example. If you have heard about cabotage law, which is there.
Yes.
Now it's a simple thing because no common man was impacted by that. Nobody talked about it. Nobody knew that this is going to impact the common man, whereas it is not directly related with the common man. And relaxation of that in the shipping has helped the industry get their goods over water. Now this is going to reduce the cost of logistic, A. B. It is going to reduce the pain which is there on the land.
Yes.
There are less land acquisitions for road. I will give you one more example. The entire Jal Marg Vikas which is going on.
Yes.
We used to have fantastic river navigation till 1830s or 1840s. But systematically it was killed over it. So the first waterways which has been completed till Bara, this is near Patna from Calcutta.
Yes.
Now we are going to transport goods and passengers up and down the stream without touching a single inch of land. So you're not going to take over the land. There is no.
That's a fascinating idea. But when it comes down, okay, so we are interconnectivity becomes easier. The logistics become cheaper. That has a direct benefit to everyone who's watching this broadcast as citizens in this country. But when it comes down, first let's just discuss the civic infrastructure. You specialize in railways. We were discussing issues about decongesting things like the Mumbai Railway. Is there a big idea there, or is it just a spending problem?
No, there have been discussion. There have been teams which have been coming. For example, if you see in the Mumbai, there was a disaster which was there in the Elphinstone station because of this. Now, nowhere before in this, a geospatial study was done. Now, there is a scientific study being done. The other day, Prime Minister talked about reducing the space between the common man and ISRO.
Yes.
Now, everybody was wondering what is that? What does it mean by reducing the space between ISRO and common man?
Yes.
But how does it say? Is that to understand where the locomotive is there. So I used to sometime tell with Pern that Indian Railways are never late. They are always on time, on paper.
Oh, well.
Okay.
I can well imagine.
So now, when I said this in Pern, it really pained us when I was there on the governing council, and we said, okay, can't we really transparent and tell people where their locomotive is so that they can plan the pickups and the drop?
Yeah, if I had
and
it
if you see the agreement which has been signed between ISRO and Railway, which was never thought about, and that will tell you where exactly the locomotive is. Now, these kind of small things.
So I don't have to wait for the railway
and which is always 100% of the time. So I don't want to shy out saying that this never used to happen.
Okay,
human
all right. Okay,
One more quick point is Gagan, which is coming up in railway. It's a fantastic joint venture between ISRO and Railway. Now, this kind of common man utility programs were never thought upon. Now, this cannot be felt directly.
Okay.